What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. Ripple has expanded a new institutional partnership. Wanted to talk about this. Our last couple of videos, kind of spanned what we're looking at into 2026. And one of the things we didn't really hit on is kind of the merge of TradFi and DeFi. And we're actually going to be holding a big space on this over on the X platform. We do these daily spaces. We're actually going to be bringing somebody on from Visa. And that's what we're seeing. A lot of these, companies, Visa, MasterCard, starting to basically have a path forward for the crypto space. And a lot of it's because of stable coins, but what Ripple's doing obviously is a little bit different. They're trying to become a bank. And Ripple said that, this morning that it's deepened its relationship with brokerage firm TJM Investments. And so if you're not totally up to speed on this, no worries, we're going to get you up to speed in exactly what this means. So what happened was Ripple actually bought a minority stake in this company. And they're looking at the infrastructure that TJM Investments has, and basically they want to utilize this because this is the way that institutions trade and settle assets already, right? And they want to bring this into the crypto world, not create a new platform or a new way of doing things, but the luxury that Ripple finds themselves in is they have capital, right? They can go acquire companies. They did it with Hidden Road as well. So Ripple's going to be supporting the trading and clearing operations of TJM, which is a U.S. regulated broker dealer, as part of this arrangement. And the companies didn't disclose any financial terms. We did hear about the Hidden Road acquisition. That was $1 billion acquisition, and they've basically revamped that into Ripple Prime. The relationship builds on Ripple's institutional platform, which is Ripple Prime. So this new integration of TJM is going into the Ripple Prime host of products, which provides trading, financing, and collateral tools to hedge funds, asset managers, family offices, etc. TJM plans to use this connection to then offer digital asset trading to its clients. So you could see how both are helping each other here, right? The traditional TJM Investments offering all the things that Ripple wants from that standpoint, right? And then Ripple is bringing in the digital asset side of things to the traditional clients. So rather than running an exchange or pushing new tokens, Ripple's basically positioning themselves as a service provider for these big firms. And these big firms already operate, right? But now it's just, now they can operate and trade crypto. And so for these big institutional clients, they're going to have access. And for large investors and hedge funds, the appeal is less about, chasing crazy returns like we do as retail investors. It's more about access to the market.